Now, as fans prepare for the big game, medical experts and former NFL athletes are raising awareness about football's long-term impact on brain health, especially among Black men. WRAL health reporter Grace Hayba shares the local efforts working to keep athletes safe before and after they hit the gridiron.
From the time they first pick up cleats to after they leave the field for good, researchers are diving deeper into the impacts of a beloved American sport.
The nature of the game is it's a brutal game, when it comes to football.
Former UNC and NFL running back Sean Drone knows what it's like to take a hit. It's why the athlete now finds himself among a different shade of blue in support of a greater game plan.
You definitely worry about it. I mean, the bodily injuries, I think those are kind of instant. But with brain health, you're not necessarily examining your brain, and you don't really see effects until later down the road.
Inside the Duke Sciences Institute, a new initiative is taking a holistic approach to brain health, combining nutrition and exercise with education about symptoms of concussions and other brain trauma for athletes of all ages.
Preventing the injury is the place that we want to be.
Dr. Harry Stafford shares it involves reaching athletes and their families at younger ages. The long-term hope is to reduce risk of things like hypertension or Alzheimer's and dementia, particularly among Black males, who are twice as likely to develop the diseases compared to white men, according to the Alzheimer's Association.
We have to take every precaution that we can, every avenue that we can come at it to try to help with those things. And we have to be the ones to start. We can't wait for somebody else to come in and do it for us.
Going beyond just the physical.
We talked a lot about how can we integrate the work that I do with Black men's brain health.
Former NFL athlete turned sociologist Robert Turner shares the effort is also a mental one, with each athlete undergoing mental health screenings and regular check-ins.
We know that there's a lot of stigma around mental health. And one of the things I always think about when you're working with professional athletes is how does the hero ask for help?
Tackling the tough questions and educating whole communities, all part of a team effort stemming far beyond the field. Grace Hayba, WRAL News.